All right, guys, we got a 2004 Ford F-150 XLT Triton, 5.4 liter. Got a bush guard on it, a little bit lifted. They've been watching our channel for a while, so they finally got down here to get it done. So it's got high flow cats there and there. Then what we did on it is true duals, as you guys can see right there, all the way back 2 1/4. They wanted it to clap, so we said, we got you. So as you guys can see, and we ran it out the sides on each side, there and there, into our signature 5-inch angle cut tips by 18, there and right there. Came out really nice, really clean. There it is, true dual all the way back. There's the muffler and tailpipe that was on it, that we cut off, right there. And replaced it. It looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, do all you do, because we really appreciate it. You can tell it's loud just by the startup. 120 so far. Again. Again. 120 on the sound decibels. What do you think? It's so loud. Perfect? Hell yeah. Yeah. We did his buddy's Toyota over there earlier. 121. That's crazy. 121, that's crazy. Those high flows make a huge difference. Yeah. Comments. Do you like it? I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Ford F-150 Lariat 5.4 liter Triton. True dual 2 1/4 all the way back. High flow cats into 5-inch tips. I'm gonna give you guys a double header. And that Toyota's true dual too. We did that yesterday. And he brought his buddy today. That's what we like. Everybody bring their friends. So you like the Ford or the Toyota Tundra? You guys let us know. Which one you guys like more? Let us know in the comments.